What is this called? Entry to 20 mph zone. This means entry to 20 mph zone. What is this called? End of 20 mph zone. The sign called end of 20 mph zone. What is this sign called? Maximum speed. The sign called maximum speed. Remember that these are signs giving orders. What is this sign called? National speed limit applies. The sign means national speed limit applies. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment this video to get more. What is this sign called? School crossing patrol. The sign called school crossing patrol. For more videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment this video.